thanks for coming by and checking out Pete's Snake Bite Kit again, especially for watching Cobra the mini-series. We are in 6, 7, 8. We're in the S's. We're in the last 3 here. So I want to talk specifically today about Shell Valley. It's actually called Shell Valley Wheels. Been up there. They're in Nebraska. Small shop. They can build it any way you want. You can buy all the parts. You can buy some of the parts. They'll build a turnkey minus. Really great guys. Been up there, talked with Dana a lot. He actually let me drive one of his cars. Let's talk about some details about Shell Valley. All right, so Shell Valley Classic Wheels Incorporated. They're in Platte Center, Nebraska. Great group of guys there. I got to go up there and visit them. Dana actually took me out in one and let me drive it. Great driving car. Felt very solid, very real car-ish, for lack of a better explanation. But anyway, talked to him a lot. I really wanted to buy this car. Just a couple very minor things. I'm not even going to go into it. I ended up with the Hurricane. Honestly, a coin toss between these two. What I did like about these is his understanding of the car. Dana has been with Shell Valley for a long time. He really understands cars and race cars. He drives a dirt track car. They build frames for dirt track cars, Roth race cars and Razor chassis. If you're building racing and setting up dirt car chassis, you understand how to set up a chassis for anything, in my opinion. Anyway, I always thought that would be a neat thing to have is, hey, you understand the car, but I'm setting it up for something a little different. What should I do for, body roll, weight transfer, center of gravity, and those things? Because they speak that language very well. But they make a Cobra. They make a Daytona coupe. You can buy a windshield for it if you want. They sell parts. You could buy the whole thing. You could buy it as a kit. You could buy it as a roller. You could buy it as a turnkey minus. They really do it any way you want. They're a very flexible group to work with. I can't say enough about them. So, especially if you're in the Nebraska area, a lot of this has to do with how close they are to you. If you're close to them, this makes it a very good option for you. So, if you're interested in them, get a hold of them. Take a look at them. Go see the cars. I think you'll like what you see. I guarantee you build one of these, like I said about all of these, you build one of these, you are going to love it. Here's a couple examples of their kit options. Like I say, they're very flexible. They will build it in any form. They will sell you all the pieces. They'll sell you a few of the pieces and so on. They also build a Daytona coupe kit, and it's the same thing there. They'll sell you the whole thing. They'll sell components for them and whatnot. Very knowledgeable. They have been in the business a long time, more than 20 years. This blue one with white stripes is a finished version of a Shell Valley car. This one was actually finished and painted at Shell Valley, is my understanding. Very nice fit and finish all the way around the car. Nice looking components on it. Great looking Cobra. Okay, I hope that gave you an idea of what Shell Valley is like and what they're about, what their offerings are like. If this one looks like it's going to make sense to you, do not pass go. Do not collect $200. Contact them and get started on your own Cobra project because you are going to love it. We've got 2 more episodes to go in Cobra, the mini-series. Stay tuned.